in Mayfair, Siliguri. So the tea trail. So we are now going to go for this nature walk, which is a 2-kilometer long trail, and it is starting from there and it will be coming back from this side. So this is a fantastic place here, all in the middle of a tea garden. And if you are coming to Darjeeling, please do stay in this property. Fantastic place to stay. So let's go and see how it works. So now we have started our walk, the nature walk, and you can see fantastic tea gardens over here. You can see fantastic tea gardens over here. On this side also, show them this side. Go. So show them on this side. आप इधर भी देखिए, इधर भी टी गार्डन है, इस साइड में भी टी गार्डन है. आप इधर आ जाइए, इधर से आकर के इधर वाला दिखाइए. इधर चलिए, जब वो उधर जाता है तो आप इधर जाइए. राइट, आप इधर देखिए, इधर जहाँ तक देखिएगा वहाँ तक टी गार्डन है. कितना मज़ा आ रहा है टी गार्डन में वॉक करके. तो आगे इधर चलिए, आपको दिखाते हैं आगे. देखो टी गार्डन से चाय तोड़ते हैं, कैसा लगता है टी गार्डन में चाय तोड़ करके. ये देखिए, इधर आइए. तो ये देखिए, अभी हम एक टी गार्डन में चाय तोड़ेंगे. ये देखिए, ये जो चाय देख रहे हैं ना, 2 लीव्स है ना बर्ड, ये देख रहे हैं. सो इसी का चाय बनेगा. तो आज बोलेंगे इनको कि हम लोग को थोड़ा फ्रेश चाय बना के खिलाइए. तो क्या बात है, चलिए आगे चलिए. ओके चलो, हम लोग आगे निकल जाएंगे. हाँ, आपको So here we can see that tea which has been plucked is being weighed and put in the truck. So each individual lady who has plucked the tea, you can see over here in the bags, the tea which has been plucked has been weighed and is being collected on that truck over there. So then it will be going to the factory for processing. So here we are right in the middle of the, here's the guy. Hello, how are you? So here's the guy who's going to take all these tea to the factory for processing. And after a hard day's work, all the ladies are going back home to start again tomorrow. So here you can see fantastic greenery to infinite distance. Tea. You can see all over the place there's only tea. So friends, please come here and spend a day to get the first-hand feeling how tea is grown, how tea is plucked, how tea is collected. And this is a tea which you drink every day in the morning, in your breakfast, during your work, to give you which relaxes you. Friends, now you can see that I am walking among the tea bushes over here, and it's such a lovely feeling walking among this greenery, and just to know that this is the same tea I drink every day. So here you can see this is a 2 leaf and a bud. So this is going to go into the factory for production. So I'm just having a fantastic view. Show them the view over here. What a lovely view over here.